Once again, welcome to Premath. So these are our practice problem worksheet. I want you to start working on these one. So once again, I want you to make sure that you pause this video, work on these practice problems on your own pace. And the solution to these problems are next. So I want you to take your time, no rush, take your time. So this is solution to our practice problem number 1. You can see how I did it, everything is there. So this is solution to practice problem number 2. Once again, I want you to take your time, you can pause the video and see how this was done. And here is the solution to practice problem number 3. Once again, take your time and see how I did step by step. And here is solution to our practice problem number 4. And finally, this is solution to our practice problem number 5. I want you to again take your time and see how this was done step by step. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.